Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's hard to believe our pipeline in our house is getting trouble after some workmen to build new septic tank in our house, and workman is false to cutting and close it the pipeline. There I repair it right now to open the stone and to see the pipeline is which one is closer. Isn't it more energy to broken the rock and stone in here, because you should know you use strong cement I think, and I have it much more before to broken the stone and rock to see the pipeline. Here, so let me show you the pipeline has been closed, and some workman is try to repair but cannot. Here is the pipeline has been closed in the behind, and the upside is the new pipeline. Some workman is repair. Let me show you. This is has been cutting and closed. So I try to repair because in here is so expensive to getting workmen to open the stone and broken the rock like this.